So this little video here is to show you how to replace these locks here. You just get under there. There's 2 screws or bolts.
Depending, because the other ones are actually bolts.
Oh, well, there you go. Bolts or screws.
Oh wait, I forgot something. First you want to do this guy. Slides off.
Undo that piece there. So I'm recording on 2 different phones. That just slides out.
I kept the rubbers.
Yeah, fair.
I kept those pieces because the other one doesn't come with it. Believe it or not.
The new one doesn't come with those rubber pieces and the little washer thing.
It's annoying.
Oh, that is annoying.
Did you put the rubber on there?
Put the bolts in and slide it through this hole.
Unlock it first to make life easier. Oh, hopefully this side doesn't really line up. Oh, that's a pain in the ass.
Slide it through that hole. Put the washer on.
Oh no.
Does it not quite line up?
Nope. Might have to drill it out. Yeah, we have to drill it out.
Okay, well, we'll come back to that. We just need to drill out that hole a little tiny bit because it doesn't quite line up. Alright, now that we have those drilled out, just need to put that little washer on. Tighten the nuts up. I probably will replace these eventually to lock nuts.
Get on the bloody thing.
Oh, almost dropped the phone.
If you want that tighter, get a spanner.
Yeah, that's fine. They get the point of that.
Oh, I see you.
And then next, let's put the thing that actually spins.
Yeah, baby.
Hang on, mate. Put that on there. And tighten the Allen key screw. And that is it. And now, you have a new lock. Hopefully this little video on the lock helped you out. If it did, drop a like and check out our other videos and drop us a subscribe as well. So, super easy to change these locks, but if you didn't know how to, now you do. Cheers.